Hey, it's Sam with True Leap Technologies. I'm out here with the bin bath. I'm actually one of those guys, I don't like cleaning my own trash cans, and so I reached out to Steven with the bin bath to come out and take care of my trash cans and get rid of that stinkiness before winter.
I'm Steven, owner of the bin bath. We provide a curbside trash can cleaning service for all of the Magic Valley.
Sam, are these your trash cans?
Sadly, these are my trash cans, and I'm done smelling them.
Both of these trash cans are yours?
I have a house full of kids, so yeah.
You got two trash cans.
Two trash cans.
All right, great. Well, this is the before.
So we come out and clean, disinfect, and sanitize your trash cans. We can do whatever suits your needs. Every month, every quarter, or a one-time cleaning. So this machine actually, it's 5,000 psi pressure and about roughly 220 to 240 degree hot water. And that runs through those spray heads and sprays the inside of your trash can clean. And then we use the wand and spray the outside and the lip and the lid. And basically you end up with a trash can that hopefully looks almost like new.
So let's see what he's got to show for us.
Starting to make a difference.
It's a lot easier than me doing it. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Big difference.
Holy smokes, huh?
They even smell better.
So I've been using True Leap for years for just our home internet provider, and then as soon as we started the bin bath, of course, that thing basically True Leap runs our business. If you need your trash can cleaned, you can call the bin bath anytime, and we'll be there as soon as we can. It's 208-731-0601, or visit our website, thebinbath.com.